Now we can see it. Can you all see that? Okay. Alright, I've just cleared the RAM, so all my settings are back to normal. I need to input my function into my y equals screen, which we've talked about in the past. This has to be in standard form. D is my y. So we have it solved for D. Okay. What is my leading monomial? Negative 5x squared. Good. My highest agreed monomial will be my leading term, negative 5. My variable key is right here to the right of the alpha. My squared button is 3 buttons below alpha. Negative 5x squared. It has to be negative. If you put the minus sign in it as a operation instead of a negative property, you will get an error. So if you're ending up with an error, go back and check how you typed it in. What is my b value? How fast? What was the initial upward velocity?
25.
25, and it's bx. Okay. Now it asked you, how high is it after 2 seconds? Okay. We could substitute 2 into the formula and solve it for d. And we'll show that in a second. But I want to show you the calculator and all the information you can get from the table. What is, however, I need to get my c value, which is my d in my function. What is my initial height at the starting point? 0. So do I need to type anything in?
No.
No. But if you do, it shouldn't affect it. If I hit graph to get my picture, it should go through what starting point? Because it's kind of hard to see. It should go through the origin. I can actually zoom in on my x's, my x table, but my y, I need to go a little bit higher. Can I see the vertex?
No.
Not at all. Okay, I need to change my window. I'll go from negative 5 to 5. Well, we'll keep it at 10 for my x. My y value, how high do we think we need to go? 25? Okay, let's try. Uh-oh.
Oh, you need a negative.
Oh, my y maximum, my minimum.
X minimum.
Oh, my x minimum. Let's do negative 5. Oh. Minimum. There we go. See what happens? Process of elimination. Whoa! Almost there. So let's go a little bit higher.
30.
30. Almost.
35.
Okay. We finally got there.
What the?
Let me show you a shortcut. Where do I find all of my x's and y's? On the calculator.
What's your table?
Oh, the table.
In the table. If I hit second graph, I'll pull up my table. And what I want to see, I should start at 0, 0, because that's my initial starting point. Can you tell me where that vertex lies? Can you see where the graph changes directions by these values?
Yes, at 5.
It changes where? At 5?
No.
I disagree. It's going up, 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 stayed the same. So where is the vertex located?
2.
Between 2 and 3. Okay. While I was trying to find that maximum y to look at my graph, I could have, and I would suggest looking at your table first to find out what is the minimum or maximum value from the table in my quadratic, so that way we don't have to guess and check so much time, because remember, your EOC is going to be time. Okay. So I know that my vertex, what is the x value of my vertex? If at 2 seconds I'm at 30 meters above, and at 3 seconds I'm at 30 meters above. Where's my vertex for my
30 meters.
2.5 is my x. Does the table show me what 2.5 is?
No.
I'm going to move that over. Okay. But I know my x is 2.5 meters. How could you find your maximum?
Find the highest point first.
Find the highest point. My x is my independent, my y is my dependent.